Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day number 14 of our 60 days live trading campaign. And today's quote is one of my favorite, and which I keep telling everyone: the best investment you can make is an investment in yourself. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. Okay, so this is told by Warren Buffett, and I have been repeating this again and again. Invest on yourself. Try to spend more time by studying, by learning, by reading valuable books, or you can go through good strategies, attend seminars or attend courses. By this, what happens is you gain more and more knowledge, and after that you can start earning more. That is what even the biggest or the successful people in trading career keeps telling. Okay, so today we are going to see day number 14 of our live trading campaign. Our campaign started in order to show all the people how a life of a successful trader, or a person in the person's life of in a trader's life, how does the daily trading involves, where he has to control his emotions and trade all the positive and negative, go through all the phases of positive and negative. So in order to show all this, we have started this campaign. So everybody, those who are watching it, all those who are following it, hope it is getting helpful to you all. And any suggestions, any feedbacks you want, you can please let me know. A few of them were asking me to start in options as well. Friends, what I would say is, don't divert. We have to stick to a single strategy for a long time. So let me finish this successfully, and after that we will look into other segments as well. The more important part is what you have to learn is the discipline and the money management, which I'm doing. Try to learn it, because strategy, you will find n number of strategies available, or you can learn from my own channels. But what you have to learn is the discipline, the methodologies which I use, the money management which I use. This is what you have to learn. And there was nobody for me to tell me when I was starting my career 8 years back, and I used to do lots of mistakes. But now then you have people, those who are guiding you, those who are showing the live trading videos. So try to learn from those. And let's not waste our time today. We'll go into the live trading video. So today the stock was Adani Ports. It was a clear winner. I think almost 100% of them got the same stock. And Nifty also was giving very good movement today, very good trending movement. And also we found that the stock, as per our selection procedure, was Adani Ports. So as you can see, huge movements in Adani Ports, and this is the reason why we had to take Adani Ports for trading today. Okay, so we are going to do the breakouts as per our strategy. As per our trend analysis strategy, we found that the stock is trending today, and accordingly we are going to keep 0.6% of target, which comes to 1.9. And similarly we'll be keeping a stop loss as well. Stop loss will be only 0.4%. Okay, overall what happens is it becomes a 1:1.2 1.5 ratio, risk reward ratio, which is good enough, which I have told you in my previous video as well. Let us calculate the quantity. So I am trading only for a loss of 1000 rupees, so I am dividing loss divided by stop loss. It comes to 769. Friends, this is done in equity, so you can start off with 1000 rupees also. You don't have to spend the full money. You can trade with any amount, whatever you have. Okay, and then once our buy order is placed, it's time for us to place the sell order as well. So we are going to place the sell order also. So sell order for today is 324, and we'll keep 1 rupee buffer, so we'll keep 323 as a sell price. And target, as you already calculated, is 1.9 and 1.3, and quantity also we calculated, it comes to 769. So you can see that both orders has been placed. Nothing else which you have to do. Just identify the trend, place both the orders, the buy order as well as the sell order. So hope it is very helpful for everyone, those who are working, because you just saw me placing trade in less than 2 minutes. To identify the stock and identify the trend, you just have to spend 4 to 5 minutes in your mobile. Once that is done, nothing else to be done, just place the trade. Okay, and then today at around 1:42 I had a little bit of time, so I just recorded. We were in good phase. You can see that the buy order was triggered. I'll just show you the order history. Okay, so you can see buy order is been triggered, and we cancel the sell order. and we're just waiting for the target to be hit. And then by 2:15 when we checked, our target was done, 1461. Profit was done easily. So as always, let us quickly update into our Excel. It was Adani and the profit was 1461, and you can see the accuracy of the strategy. It's so superb, doing very well. So once again we are continuing the journey. You can see this is what I was talking about, the money management part and the trading discipline. No diversion, do not doing anything else, following the same strategy, following the same technique and the same money management with 1:1.5 ratio. If at all we get loss, it will be around 1000 rupees, but if at all we get profit, it will be around 1500. So you can see overall we have made already 9714. We are close to 20% returns. Friend, the fund uses 50,000, but you don't need to use 50,000. If you're using equity, you can trade even with 20 to 30,000 rupees. But what I am doing is I'm not going to lose much of my capital. That is the reason why I'm trading only with 1000 rupees with an investment of 50,000 rupees. I agree the fund is idle in my account, but it doesn't matter. Whereas if at all if I'm facing any continuous losses, I'll have the fund for trading and recovering the losses. That is the reason why we keep so much of funds. Okay friends, so last but not the least, the trading platform which I use today for trading is Upstock. And in case if you want to join Upstock, it's a very good discount broker. You'll get notifications once the order gets triggered, and best suited for working people. You can use the promo code FEB300, and once you use this code, you'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage return. And also in case if you're joining Upstock with the link which I provided in the description of this video, then you'll be getting 50% discount on my training materials. Okay friends, so if you want to know any advanced methods or advanced learnings from me, then you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525, and hope this journey is helping you all. And please do send me your feedback on my number 8095876525, so that we can plan for the next program also. Okay friends, so thank you and have a nice day.